All right, y'all. Oklahoma's most hated. We got the Pops, 1978 Camaro. Got some mean sauce up under the hood of this one right here. We've been doing a little work behind the scenes on it. Hey, Pop said we got to get 5,000 views on the main video. We can shoot some content with this shit. Y'all come on, check it out, man. Help me out. This thing is nice, boy. Still got the paint on it. Just need some clear coat. Oh yeah. Boy, we keep some nice rods. Come on, man, what y'all think? Pop said if we get 5,000 on this video, we'll be able to bust it out. He let me drive it plenty of times. This gentleman is wicked, boy. But I tell you, hey, I'm trying to get it right. I'm trying to get him to let me shoot some content with it, because this thing is clean. Boy. This thing is clean. Ooh-wee. Boy. Hey, I'm telling y'all, hey, you wouldn't believe how much my pops gave for this car. I was so mad. If I'd have known that he gave this little for this car to this man, I'd have drove 6 states away, 200 miles an hour with a trailer on the back. I don't even care. I'd have been, yeah, because, hey, $250. $250 for a 78 Camaro. Got a mean motor in it. Hey, transmission done up, interior done up, paint done up. You wouldn't believe it. Check this motor out. Look at this. What y'all know about that, boy? What y'all know? Hold on. That's too much for y'all. Hold on. Like he said, I'm telling y'all. Woo! Hey, come on. 5,000 likes. That ain't five. I mean, not even likes, just views. He said 5,000 views. Taking it to a car show. We can go hit the races with it, whatever. He said he want to see what the quarter-mile time doing it. He gonna put a little more sauce in the motor, get the brakes and everything hooked up. That's why we got the wheels and everything off of it right now, because he got to get it right. I mean, as far as the interior and everything go inside here, this thing is clean. Check it out. Look at this. Almost brand new. Woo! Hey, this car been setting probably since the 90s, y'all. Ain't even never been drove. I promise you. Hey, I know where this car came from. This car been setting in this 5-mile radius of where it's at right now since I was born, basically. Last thing I can remember from being a kid is probably about 2-3 years old, because I do a lot of crazy stuff. And since 2 or 3 years old, this car has been around. And I've always. Hey, you quit honking that horn over there. I'm trying to record a video. Got a problem, little girl? What? You want to fight about it? Come on now. Cut it out. So, man, like I said, y'all, come on. 5,000 views. Quit honking that horn. 5,000 views. We can get this bad mama jammer running. We might even, you never know. Hey, I don't want to wish nothing to existence, but I'm the only one that really, we got some hustlers in our family. I ain't knocking nobody. We got some hustlers, but I'm the master mechanic, son. My daddy taught me some stuff, and I ran with it. Took it to the stars. But now, it's time to show off what we can do. Hey, it's Oklahoma's most hated. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tap in, because we finna have some heat coming. But, like I said, Pop said, 5,000. I might be able to wiggle something. Hey, man. Till then, y'all tap in.